How can you use open houses to get more leads in this market? Many agents don't bother with open houses, but a packed house will help you make tons of contacts with people who are looking to move soon. If you master the art of the open house, you can turn one home sale into tons of high-quality leads. Here are 3 tips to help you pack your open houses and take your business to the next level. Pick the right time. Generally speaking, the weekend is the best time to host an open house since most people won't be busy. Sunday is usually the perfect day of the week. If your client is in an urban area, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. is the best time, while those living in the suburbs should open between 12 p.m. and 4 p.m. to maximize traffic. Market like a pro. Dedicate yourself to marketing the event everywhere you can, like the MLS, Facebook, your blog, your database, etc. When you create a Facebook page for the event and/or send out emails, make sure you're including professional photos of the house to grab buyers' attention. Finally, physical signs in your client's neighborhood will make it easy for people to find the property, even if they're just passing through on a whim. Network, network, network. Your primary goal for the open house should be to provide value to your client, but that doesn't have to be your only objective. Most people who are looking to buy a home also have a property to sell, so talk to attendees and let them know that you work with both buyers and sellers. Just adding people to your database can eventually turn into leads.